Leqembi rejected, a setback for Alzheimer's treatment in Europe. The European Medicines Agency, or EMA, has delivered a blow to Biogen and Eisai, rejecting their Alzheimer's drug, Leqembi. This decision prevents the drug from reaching millions of potential patients in Europe. The EMA cited concerns about the drug's effectiveness and safety. This setback raises questions about the future of Alzheimer's treatment in Europe. The rejection highlights the stringent regulatory environment in Europe. It also underscores the challenges of developing effective treatments for complex neurological conditions like Alzheimer's. This decision has significant implications for the companies involved, the market, and most importantly, patients. Implications and responses. Navigating the regulatory landscape. The EMA's decision carries weight. It impacts the European Commission's final decision-making process. The Commission generally follows the EMA's recommendations. This makes it unlikely that Leqembi will be available in Europe anytime soon. Eisai, however, remains steadfast. The company plans to appeal the EMA's decision. They aim to provide further data and address the regulator's concerns. This sets the stage for a protracted regulatory battle. Market reactions. Biogen and Eisai face financial tremors. The market reacted swiftly to the news. Biogen's shares tumbled by over 10% following the announcement. Eisai, too, experienced a significant drop in its stock price. This reflects investor concern about the drug's future prospects. The rejection underscores the financial risks associated with drug development, particularly in areas like Alzheimer's. It also highlights the importance of regulatory approvals for bringing new treatments to market. Section 4. Understanding Leqembi, a promising drug faces scrutiny. Leqembi, also known by its generic name lecanemab, targets amyloid beta plaques in the brain. These plaques are a hallmark of Alzheimer's disease. The drug received accelerated approval from the US Food and Drug Administration earlier this year. This approval was based on early clinical trial data showing that Leqembi could slow cognitive decline in Alzheimer's patients. However, the FDA's decision was not without controversy. Some experts questioned the drug's clinical significance and raised concerns about its safety profile. Section 5. Safety concerns. European regulator raises red flags. The EMA's rejection centered around two primary concerns: efficacy and safety. While the agency acknowledged Leqembi's modest impact on cognitive decline, they deemed the clinical benefits to be marginal. More concerning were the potential side effects. The EMA highlighted the risk of brain swelling and bleeding associated with Leqembi. These side effects, while manageable with proper monitoring, raised significant safety concerns for the European regulator. Section 6. The bigger picture challenges and hopes in Alzheimer's treatment. The rejection of Leqembi highlights the ongoing challenges in developing effective Alzheimer's treatments. Despite decades of research, there is still no cure for this devastating disease. The search for a breakthrough continues. However, the field is not without hope. New insights into Alzheimer's pathology, coupled with advancements in drug development, offer a glimmer of optimism. Scientists and clinicians remain dedicated to finding a cure and improving the lives of those living with Alzheimer's. Section 7. European patients in limbo. The quest for effective therapies continues. The EMA's decision is a setback for millions of Europeans living with Alzheimer's disease. These patients face a long and uncertain wait for access to potentially life-changing treatments. The rejection underscores the urgent need for safe and effective therapies. Advocacy groups and researchers continue to push for greater investment in Alzheimer's research. They emphasize the importance of early diagnosis and intervention. Until a cure is found, the focus remains on improving quality of life and providing support for patients and their families.